What's up YouTube? It's your girl Leeannston. With PlayStation's newest update, you can now have Discord on your PS5. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick how to do that in case anybody was a little confused. First, you're going to want to update your system software. I didn't think of recording this video for y'all until after I'd updated mine, so I can't show you guys. Basically, you just click your notifications and it's going to show that there's an update for the system. Click to start the update. Once that's done, you're going to need to also update your controller. Once your controller is updated, you're going to want to go to your settings under users and accounts and go to linked services. There, you can click Discord to link it. It's going to give you a couple different ways to link your Discord. I think that the easiest way to link your Discord is to use the app. If you have the app downloaded on your phone, click the app, open your user settings. From your user settings, you want to click scan QR code, and there you just scan the code it puts on your screen. You can scroll through everything there, just click authorize. Basically, it's just saying that you're giving all the same permissions to your PlayStation that you gave to your phone and your PC so that Discord can do everything it needs to do. After you click authorize, it's going to pop up on your PS5 and on your phone that you're all set up, you're logged in. You also have the option to go to discord.com/activate if for some reason you can't or don't want to use the QR code. And then once you do that, you just enter whatever code is shown on your PS5 to make sure that you're linking the correct Discord account to your PlayStation. And then in order to actually join a VC on your PlayStation, you'll need to go onto your phone and join a VC through there. Pull up on Discord and click transfer to PlayStation. After you transfer to PlayStation, you're going to select your console. It's going to join automatically. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's very similar to a PlayStation Party, but from there you can mute or control the volume of specific users in the VC. You can mute the entire VC. Using the audio slider, you can control the balance between your game and your Discord chat audio. There are also other Discord settings. You can adjust your microphone volume, you can mute the game voice chat, you can choose whether or not you want your Discord voice to be shared if somebody is streaming off of their console or if they record a clip, and there's some other settings in there as well. One very important thing to know is that Discord VCs are still monitored by PlayStation. If somebody were to report you for something said in a Discord VC, you could be banned for that. So that's just something, just a little heads up, something good to know. It's not that hard, very short video, very easy to get set up. So now everybody should be able to join Discord on their console. I hope that this video helped. I've been trying to drop some videos to help you guys out. If you guys have any requests, anything that you want a video dropped on, anything you need help with, feel free to let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like this video. If you didn't already, like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting more how-to content and help content. Also, I will be starting to post content related to my streams, my community, and maybe even some IRL content. Thank you for watching the video. Appreciate y'all. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope this helped out a lot. Bye guys.